Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I just have one question to ask you. What would you like me to cover? So I cover a lot of Asana tips because that is something that I'm really passionate about. I really like using Asana. I use it on a daily basis, and I use it like all day long. Like it is literally in my background on my computer right now. When I go to, even in the military, so I'm I'm active duty military, so it's a full-time job as well. I use it in the background. So Asana is something that I'm really passionate about. Something else that I also like doing is productivity. So I like learning about different productivity stuff. I have a bunch of different productivity books. The one I have right here, it's called Hyper Focus by Chris Bailey. I even have his other book, which is The Productivity Project. Two very good books if you're into productivity. And project management, that is something else that I really like doing, but I will admit I am not a project manager, but it is something that I would like to get into. So that is something that I plan on kind of developing a little bit more content around. So you might see some like project management made easy stuff, but I just want to know, what is it that you guys would like me to cover, or what is it that you would like questions answered, any tips or tricks? Leave a comment, send an email, reach out to me, and I would be more than happy to answer your questions, do the research for you and figure it out, especially if it has something to do with Asana, productivity, or project management. So I don't know if you heard that squeaking. It's my dog. She's playing with a toy. Okay, well, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for listening. And go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you want to see more of my Asana tips videos or any other videos that I might be coming out. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on that like button. Alrighty, guys. Have a good one.